Hey guys, it's me Narcisa. Welcome to my Cutie Pie Tresses natural hair clip-ins review. As you can see here, I started off washing the clip-ins with a moisturizing shampoo. Just making sure I got it well washed and rinsed. Now that I'm almost done washing and rinsing, I am going to use my WOWW conditioner. I know lots of people don't really like VO5, but I found that it gives the hair slip and it leaves the hair moisturized. My natural hair and this human hair clip-in extensions as well. While washing, I did notice some shedding, nothing crazy, but it's bound to happen when you have clip-ins. Give it a couple of more run-throughs just to make sure the hair is detangled, rinse it off, and then I set it to dry overnight so that it'll be ready to go when I install the clip-ins. So here I am a few days later with my hair braided in a U-shaped pattern. To make it easier to install the clip-ins, after drying them, I did place them in the bag until I was ready to use it. I love the way it smells. So here are the clip-ins close up. I have one pack of clip-ins. They're really soft, the texture is great. So I'm just showing it to you guys, just kind of the length and how it looks. And I'm separating them, and now I'm installing the clip-ins. Just going from the bottom. Actually, I started from the middle this time and worked my way up. This way I had more hair to work with. I've noticed in the past, when I start from the bottom, I just kind of get confused. So using the longest one, I did it on the middle and just kept going on to the top. So here it is where I'm at the top and my hair is actually out. I'm detangling and 2-strand twisting to wear it and twist out for when I'm ready to rock the hair. As I'm 2-strand twisting it, I'm just clipping it down so it doesn't stick out. Because you know, when it comes to 2-strand twists in our natural hair, however it stays, it's kind of like where the hair lays. So I wanted to be sure that I had the 2-strand twist laying the way I want it, which is the back to the back and the sides to the sides. This way, you're not seeing the clip-ins when I'm wearing my hair out. More detangling and 2-strand twisting as I come near to the end of this top portion. So here I have the clip-ins, and most of the 2-strand twists that I have on that side are laid down, but I wanted to go ahead and add the next clip-in so that when I do undo the 2-strand twist, it's well blended. Alright, so basically I'm done with the top, and I have one more clip-in left. So I am going to take the last row of, I think that's 4, and just clip it to the nape of my neck. So here I am going through all of my work, making sure that the 2-strand twists are laying properly and where I want them to. And I'm going to head to bed, make sure I put my silk bonnet on so that my hair can stay for the next morning. So here I am the next morning, unraveling my 2-strand twist so that I can style my hair the way I want to style it. I did have some trouble, I can say, styling it. I wasn't sure if I wanted it all back or up, but I decided to just go ahead and use the edge tamer and tame my edge and just put one of my clips along the side. Alright you guys, so I wanted to come and jump back on and share my full review with you guys. I love the clip-ins, how easy they were to use. The clips actually snap back. I've worked with some clip-in extensions before where I had a hard time pressing it back in, so I really love that aspect. I like the weft. It's really thick and it's just nice and easy to use. The curl pattern is really good, and the length, the texture, everything is superb. I didn't experience too much shedding when I was washing it, so that's really good as well. And yeah, I really found it pretty easy to use these. I'm gonna do some more styles throughout the week, but for now, this is the look that I went for, a little laid back edges, and my 2 favorite clips. Now, I have quite a few clips, you guys, but for some reason, I just tend to go to this studded look because I feel like it matches with a lot of things. But anyway, back to the hair. It's really good, it's soft, it's full, okay? And this is 1 pack of hair, 16-inch in the Kinky Curly. So if you guys are looking for a natural hair clip-in extensions to try, I highly suggest Cutie Pie Tresses. Be sure to hit the link in my bio to grab yours. And I have a discount code for you guys listed in the caption down below. So be sure to check that out as well. And stay safe, you guys. It's your girl, Tisa, signing out. Bye.